Adana is a city located in southern Turkey, known for its history, culture, natural beauty, delicious cuisine, and way of life. There are many reasons why you should visit Adana.
1. Historical sites. Adana is famous for its historical and cultural heritage. Some of the must-see historical sites in the city include the Taşköprü Bridge, the Great Clock Tower, the Sabancı Central Mosque, the Ulu Mosque, the Ramazanoglu Madrasa, and the Adana Archaeology Museum.
2. Delicious cuisine. Adana is renowned for its regional dishes such as Adana kebab, sardan, lamb intestines, iklay koft, stuffed bulgur balls, künefe, a sweet cheese pastry, and salgam suyu, a fermented turnip juice. Visitors to Adana can have the opportunity to taste these unique flavors.
3. Natural beauty. Adana's natural beauty is also very appealing. The Seyhan and Seyhan rivers, the Yumurtalık Beach, and the Akutan Lake offer visitors a chance to enjoy a peaceful getaway in nature.
4. Festivals. Adana hosts many festivals and events throughout the year. The most famous ones include the Altın Koza Film Festival, the Adana Agriculture Fair, the Çukurova Book Fair, and the Adana International Film Festival.
5. Way of life. Adana's lively streets, local markets, cafes, restaurants, and nightlife are sure to catch visitors' attention. The warm and welcoming attitude of the locals is also a plus.
For all these reasons, visiting Adana should be on your travel itinerary when planning a trip to Turkey.
Adana has a rich history and there are many historical places to visit in the city. Some of the must-see historical sites in Adana are
Taşköprü, Stone Bridge. This bridge dates back to the Roman era and is one of the oldest and most iconic landmarks of Adana. It spans across the Seyhan River and offers a beautiful view of the city.
Büyük Saat Kulesi, Great Clock Tower. This clock tower was built in the early 20th century during the Ottoman period and is located in the heart of the city center. It is an impressive structure with a unique blend of Ottoman and European architectural styles.
Sabancı Merkez Cami, Sabancı Central Mosque. This mosque is the largest in Adana and one of the most magnificent in Turkey. It was built in the 1990s by the Sabancı Foundation and is located in the Seyhan district.
Ulu Cami, Grand Mosque. This mosque was built in the 16th century during the Ottoman period and is one of the oldest and most important mosques in Adana. It has a beautiful courtyard and impressive interior decoration.
Ramazanoglu Medresesi. This madrasa, Islamic school, was built in the 16th century by the Ramazanoglu family, who ruled Adana at that time. It is a beautiful example of Ottoman architecture and has been restored and turned into a museum.
Adana Archaeology Museum. This museum houses artifacts from the ancient civilizations that once thrived in the Adana region, including the Hittites, Persians, Greeks, Romans, and Byzantines.
These are just a few of the many historical places to visit in Adana. Visitors to the city can explore these sites and learn more about the rich history and culture of this fascinating region. Adana is famous for its rich and delicious cuisine, which is a blend of Turkish influences. Some of the most popular local dishes in Adana include
Adana Kebab. This is the most famous dish in Adana and consists of skewered, spicy minced lamb meat, grilled over charcoal. It is usually served with lavash, a type of bread, and grilled vegetables.
Lahmacun. This is a thin, crispy flatbread that is topped with a mixture of minced lamb meat, onions, tomatoes, and spices. It is a popular street food in Adana and is often served with fresh herbs, lemon wedges, and pickles.
Sardan, lamb intestines. This is a dish made from lamb intestines that are stuffed with a mixture of rice, onions, and spices. The stuffed intestines are boiled and then grilled, and served with lemon wedges and sumac.
Iklay koft, stuffed bulgur balls. These are stuffed bulgur balls that are filled with a mixture of minced meat, onions, and spices. They are boiled and then fried, and served hot as a snack or appetizer.
Künefe, a sweet cheese pastry. This is a sweet cheese pastry that is made from shredded phyllo dough, filled with melted cheese, and soaked in syrup. It is a popular dessert in Adana and is usually served with clotted cream.
Salgam suyu, a fermented turnip juice. This is a traditional drink made from fermented turnips, carrots, and beets. It is a tangy and refreshing beverage that is perfect to accompany spicy dishes like Adana kebab.
These are just a few of the many delicious dishes that Adana has to offer. Visitors to the city can enjoy the local cuisine at traditional restaurants and cafes, and experience the unique flavors and aromas of this region.
Adana is known for its natural beauty and has many scenic spots that are worth visiting. Some of the most beautiful natural attractions in Adana include
Seyhan Dam and Lake. This is a beautiful man-made lake that was created by the Seyhan Dam. It is a popular spot for fishing, boating, and picnics, and offers stunning views of the surrounding mountains.
Yumurtalik Beach. This is a beautiful sandy beach located on the Mediterranean coast, about 45 minutes from Adana. It is a popular spot for swimming, sunbathing, and enjoying the beautiful scenery.
Seyhan River. This river runs through Adana and is a great spot for fishing, swimming, and kayaking. It is surrounded by lush vegetation and is a popular destination for nature lovers.
Akyatan Lake is a large coastal lagoon located in the Akyatan Wildlife Reserve, about 30 kilometers south of Adana in Turkey. It covers an area of 14,500 hectares and is an important wetland that is home to many bird species and other wildlife. The lake is a popular destination for birdwatching, hiking, and wildlife viewing, and boat tours are available for visitors to explore the lake and observe the birdlife up close.
Karaysali Caves. These are a series of natural caves located in the Karaysali district of Adana. The caves are home to stunning rock formations, underground rivers, and rare species of bats.
Aladagla National Park. This is a vast national park located in the Taurus Mountains, about 2 hours from Adana. It is home to stunning landscapes, including mountains, canyons, and waterfalls, as well as rare species of flora and fauna.
Kapikaya Canyon. This is a beautiful canyon located in the Karaysali district of Adana. It is a popular spot for hiking and camping, and offers breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape.
These are just a few of the many natural beauties that Adana has to offer. Visitors to the city can explore these spots and experience the natural wonders of this region. Adana is a city rich in cultural and historical heritage, and it celebrates several festivals and events throughout the year that showcase its traditions and customs. Here are some of the major festivals held in Adana.
The Altan Koza Film Festival is a film festival held in Adana. There are also panels, workshops and exhibitions at the festival, where many domestic and international films are screened. Awards are also given at the festival.
Çukurova Agriculture and Livestock Fair. Held in May, this fair is one of the oldest and largest agricultural events in Turkey. It features exhibits of livestock, agricultural products, and farming equipment, as well as cultural and entertainment events.
Adana Book Fair. Held in December, this fair brings together publishers, writers, and readers from across Turkey and the world. It features book signings, panel discussions, and cultural events, as well as a variety of books and other publications for sale.
International Adana Film Festival. Held in September, this festival celebrates the art of cinema and showcases films from around the world. It also features workshops, seminars, and panel discussions with filmmakers and industry professionals.
Orange Blossom Carnival. Held in April every year, this festival celebrates the blooming of the orange trees in Adana. It features a parade with decorated floats, traditional music and dance performances, and a variety of local foods and crafts.
Adana Theatre Festival. Held in June, this festival celebrates the art of theatre and features performances by local and national theatre groups. It also includes workshops, seminars, and panel discussions on theatre-related topics.
These are just a few examples of the many festivals and events held in Adana throughout the year. Visitors to the city can experience its rich cultural heritage by attending these festivals and participating in the various cultural activities and events.
Adana is known for its warm and welcoming locals. The people of Adana are famous for their hospitality, generosity, and kindness towards visitors. They are proud of their city and love to share their culture and traditions with others. If you visit Adana, you can expect to be greeted with open arms and treated like family.